So hello guys, today we are going to start with list and tuples. So let's start first. Python list are containers to store a set of values of any data type. So a list, any of the data types can be stored. As here you can see in list friends, Apple is stored as a string data type, Akash is also a string data type, Rohan is also a string data type, 7 is an integer data type and 4 is a boolean data type. So in list you can add any of the data types. List indexing, just as we did in the string, list can also be indexed same as the strings. So as you can see here is a given list, that is, let me show you. So here is the list, bracket name L1 equals to, we have to use this bracket for storing the values. So this is a list. If you want to index the list, then I will write list 0, the same as this one. It will print me 7. Hashtag 7. When I will try list 1, it will give me 9. And same so on. As you can see here, error is given, list slicing is given. Slicing is also the same as I told you. If here it is 0 to 2, I am showing you here. So it will give you just 7 and 9, because up to 2 means 2 will not be included, means this name will not get included. List methods. There are several methods for list, as let's create a list of set of numbers. So this is a list. Wait. So we can also sort the list like from in the ascending order. We can reverse the list. We can append. Append means to add something to the list. We can pop. Pop will delete the element at index 2, like pop is something for deleting. Insert means append and insert are different. Append means to add, that word will be added at the last. Okay. And insert mean, in insert we have to specify at which index we have to add that value. So let me show you once. L1 dot sort. Okay. So this will update this. Let me just print for you. Oh sorry. So damn. Wait. I will just wait. Let me just first cancel the terminal. We have to print this. After printing this, I guess I'm doing something wrong. So first we have to do is L1 dot sort. Then we have to print L1. In this, just we have to write, if you want to sort the list, we have to write the same. If you want to reverse the list, do the same. Let me just print you first. See, it will take second output. Wait. Yeah. Now when we will do, see, the list is sorted in the ascending order. 1, 3, 3, 5, 6, 9, 12. So as you can see, how we can reverse a list, sort a list. Now next, if you want to add something to the list, so now just print the 8 will get added in the end of the list. If you want to insert, now see insert. I want to insert, suppose I want to insert at the third index, like in the place of 5, I want to insert 8. So here we will first write the index we want to insert, the value. See now, yeah, you can see the 8 is here. It is now printed in place of 5. To delete any of the element in the list, we use pop. Like I want to delete 3. When I will print, 3 will be deleted. The index 3 will be deleted. The number at the index 3, like I wanted to delete 5, I have deleted the 5. Pop is used for I will write here. If you want to completely delete something, like a particular value, we use remove. Like I want to remove the 3 from the list. Not index 3, the value 3 from the list. Oh, wait. Yeah. See, 3 is. I know you are thinking that why only the 1, 3 is deleted. The first one will be deleted, not the second one. That also you have to remember. So this was all about the list. List store values of any data type in it. List can sort the values. We can reverse the values in the list. We can append the value. Append means add the value in the list. We can insert a value at a particular index in the list. We can delete a particular index value. We can also remove a particular element or a value from the list. Doesn't matter. I have only done with an integer data type. You can do with a string and so on. Same with every of the data type. So our next topic is tuple. So the main thing about tuple is immutable. Tuple is an immutable data type. Immutable here means we can't change the values in the tuple. If we have given some values, like we can change the values in the list, we can append, we can use everything, but in tuple we can't change the values in the elements stored in the tuple. It will remain the same throughout the whole procedure. So if we will tuple, remember one thing, it is an empty tuple. Remember, in tuple cases, this is an empty tuple. Tuple methods, and you can read the one of these methods also of tuples. Like I want to start with, for tuple we have to use this brackets. Wait. So as I want you to explain, I will explain in a better way about tuples because it is an important thing that can be asked in the interviews. So let's create a tuple, anything, fruits, and store value in it, apple. Before this, I just want to do the same with the list one. Let's create a list fruits, storing a value, apple, banana, mango. So if you want to reverse the list, fruits to reverse. So as you can see, I have created a list where in which the name of fruits are given. So let's first print the list. I'll show how the list is printed. Let's comment this down and print it. See, as you can see how the list is printed. Now if you want to reverse a list or do anything, just do the same. I will just copy and paste, commenting this down, deleting. And now if when I am going to see, the last one comes in first and the first one in the last. See, the reversing of the list is done. I will also show you a list of mixed data types. Let's create a list data in which I will be having a string, number, integer, boolean data type, and boolean data float data type, and boolean data type. So this is my list. Okay, you can print the same. It will give me the list. See, we can also print any of the data types in the list. If you want to print a particular index, data 0, or I will say why 0. Let's print first one, the index 1. Wait. The bracket has to be changed. See, let me again show you. See, 20 is printed because 20 is at index 1. So this is how we can print at for the particular. If you, and as I told you about the negative indexing, -1 means the last, starting from the last. So it will print true. As you can see, it printed true. Slicing I already told you, but I will again tell you how to slice the list. Let's print from 1 to 3. 20 and 45.6 will be printed because 1 will be included and 3 will not be included. Okay, so this is how we can also print indexing. We can index the links. If you want to modify some of the data, like I want to change the number or some values, like I want to change 20 to 24. Now we will print data. Wait, let me first comment all. Deleting this. And now if I will do, see, 20 is replaced by 24. Okay, same we can add the data, add any of the values to the list. If you want to add data dot append, I'm going to add the value false. print data. So false will also get printed. These are the basic things that you all have to know about the list, which are will be beneficial to you. Now, if I'm going to insert at a particular index. I already told you, but I will also tell you once again. This is a list. Now let's first data dot insert. Insert at index 2. The value should be 56.8. So it will replace the value. It will add at the index 2. It will not replace. It will add. Basically, from the length 4, it is increased to length 5, as you can see. And same you can remove also by remove using data dot remove, and what you want to remove from that data. Data dot remove. I want to remove my name. Print data. So see, my name is removed from here. So you can also do this for removing some of the elements from the list. Pop is used to delete that particular index, and remove is used to delete a particular element. And all you all know about the sorting also. Sorting can be used to the specific data type, integer data type. You can sort the list from the sort in descending order. Reversing list can also be done by the same. Finding the length of the list is also simple. Same as you find the length of the string data type. That's it. It will give you the length of the string, which is key. As we have removed the value, so it's going to let us comment this and then try 4. Okay. After that, we can also check the values, like is this value present in this, if is this value present in this list. Like let's take a list: fruits, mango, banana, I will say pear. You can add any pear, apple, when you want. Now if we want to check a particular, say I want to check is banana present in the list, banana in fruits. Got it? So now if we will print, yes, it is showing true. Now let's check for the strawberry in fruits. Fruits. False. It will show false here. So as this, you can also check about whether a list is present or not. And some of the data is like clear. Clear will just remove all the values from your list. So it is just used for deleting all the list, or deleting all the values in the list. Clear. So now the next thing is same we will do for tuples. Let's start with tuples. Let's create a value: days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So, got it. These are my double. So as this is my double, we can't change the values in this. If I want to print this, it will simply get printed. Yeah, let's see. See, it is printed. How it is printed, as we have already given, it is printed as the same. We can also check the data type by checking the type and all that. If you want to print a single value, same we can do with this. Print days. I want to print the value at index 3. It will print me Thursday. You can also try the same way. Negative indexing is also same as I told you in the list. We can use for minus or if you will use -1 here, -2. Why take -1? Just try something different. Oh, it is given Saturday, so we can see. Slicing can also be done. If you want to just print from Tuesday to Thursday, just taking an example, Tuesday, Thursday, so it is getting printed here. Okay. Yeah, but the main thing is if I am going to like just change the value to some other day on days, doesn't matter what I am writing this. If I will print the data now, just that's comment others. See, it will show error because we can't change the values in the tuple. Tuples are immutable, so we can't change the values in the tuple. Okay. Length of a tuple, you can also find the length of the tuple. Various things you can do. Print length, days. It will give you the length 7 because there are 7 days in a week. Let's comment and let's try out now count. Just taking a tuple number. So if I want to check how many times if a number is printed, like I want to check for 2, like 2 is repeated 2 times. I will just write this number dot count. It will tell me the 2 is repeated 3 times. As you can see, 2, 1, 2, 3. So we can also count the number. Same we can do with printing and index. Numbers dot index. I want 12. Yes, no. So it will give just like my current standard index 2 will give me the index 2. So this was about tuples. So in tuples, basically, tuples are immutable. We can index, we can slice tuples. We can also count the length of the tuple. We can also count the number of times the word is repeated. We can also check at what index a particular element is present in a tuple, and so on things can be done. But lists are totally different. In list, we can just remove an element, add an element, remove one particular element at particular index, add a particular element at particular index, calculate the length, clear the all of the list, and so on. So list we can do many of the things as compared to tuples. And these topics are mostly asked in the interviews, that what is the difference between tuples and list. So keep in mind of all these things. These are necessary for you. So अब हम बात करेंगे डिक्शनरीज के बारे में. So now we will talk about dictionaries. So dictionary is a collection of key value pairs. Dictionary is a collection of key value pairs. What do you mean by key values? These kinds of pairs. This is a definition. This is what dictionary means. So, written in curly braces, values can be duplicated, and these are mutable. It is indexed. It is unordered. Values can be duplicated, not the keys. Remember the thing. So, as you and say, we use most of the time dictionaries are used for student details, employee details, or records or some type of product informations. These are the thing we use dictionaries. Student is equal to curly braces. This is the key. This is the value, and afterwards comma. Then enter. Age is the key, and this is the value. And let's just add two key value pairs. Now print student name. What it will do is print the value stored in this key. So name has value Harry, and same print student age. So got it. Now if I will print it, as you can see, Harry is printed and 20 is printed. So remember, dictionary is a key value pair. You can use it to strong student details, employee information, product information, and some of the hospitals, emergency records, and all. These all are the dictionaries are mostly used in these types of things. Another another thing is we can also do the same by using get. Just simple. I will do in another line. Suppose this is a dictionary. Print student get name. Got it? Student spelling. Print student dot get age. Output will be the same with another method. So you can also use get for getting the values from the dictionary. How you can we can also add a value. How we can add a value? It also have another ways like taking the same. If I want to add the city column or city key value into it, city, and let's take value. Now when you will print the dictionary student, your city will also be there. Let me just delete and then print it for you. See. name is already there, age was also already there. The new key value pair which is added is city, which is Delhi. Updating the values. If you want to, like I have here, want to update the age 21, print student. I want to update the age. I selected the key which I want to update, and from 20 I updated to 21. This can also be done in the dictionaries. So the next is pop. Pop is used to like delete, and delete is also used for delete. For deleting or removing, we have three. Let me take this dictionary again. I will take it down. So I will first student dot pop age print student. I mean, what does this do? This will remove the age. Got it? Now when I will do student age, let's comment first. And now if I will do, it will also do the same thing. It will also delete the key value pair student. Dealing with the next, we also use clear student dot clear. What this will do is it will remove each and everything from your dictionary. It will just give you an empty dictionary or empty space. Remember the things. The next we can also do is print just the keys in the dictionary. It will print this dictionary will it will print the keys which you have used in dictionary, like we have used name and age so far, so it will give you name and age. Same we can do with values. Printing this, it will give you the values. If you are not able to see, I will just again do it. So now you are getting this also. And another thing is items. It will print the same way. It will print the everything, whole dictionary which is present in it. So in dictionaries basically we use get, we use keys for printing off the keys, we use values we just for values, we items for everything, pop for removing a key, clearing for removing all the items, and update for updating the dictionary. I have taught you everything, I have done everything for you, so keep in mind. So this way you can also do this. The next thing is sets. So set is used when you don't want duplicate values, when you need fast checkings, or you want union and intersection things in your code, then we use set. I will show you what I mean here. Just creating some free spaces. So set Let us take a set. Set is presented like this. Check it out. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 8, 6 something. Or I can say 6. Okay. Then I will. Oh, sorry, it is curly bracket. Should be curly bracket here. When I will pin numbers 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. So it just remove the duplicate values from your code. It will just give the values that are used once. And also remember, we can't use this. It means nothing in Python. So remember this thing. If you want to present a empty set, just do this. This is the true right way of creating an empty set. Adding an element, if you are like, I want to create same, let's we write a simple English. The same we are using here for adding an element. Removing an element, same, just do remove mango, print fruit, banana and apple. Mango is deleted. Here pop have different characteristics. If you will use pop, like I am using pop, I will print it. It will remove any of the element. It doesn't depend which element you want to remove. It will just remove element of its own choice. Let me, if I will add some more like mango, wait, mango, grapes. So when we will print this, it will remove a random element. It doesn't depend. It will remove the first one, but it will remove a random element. Not first or last, anything it can. So pop here doesn't mean that if you want to delete an element, you have to use pop. Clearing using fruits dot clear will clear the whole set. See, it is represented. Wait, I will see how it is represented. So keep this is also in mind. If you want to check whether a particular element is there in the present in, if I want to find example there in my set, it will list. Wait. Let me first do this. Yeah, it was creating a error. See, if you have to find, you can also find through this. Also, set as you have created in your career classes. If I have a set 1, 3, 5, and 7. Another I have 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 6. So printing A and B. 1, 3, and 5. It will just give you the same values of common terms from this and will print it. So as through this we can also find the common values in both of the sets. The same if you will do a minus b, it will give you the values. Wait. 7. So it will minus the like from A value 1357, it will minus the lower values present in B. So when you will minus only 7 is the value that is not presented in a B, so it will only remain, other will be subtracted. Same if you will do print A, B, 2, 6 and 7. Just the value which are not common in both of them will be printed. So I will now read it. If you are programming beginner without much knowledge of mathematical operation on sets, you can simply look at sets in Python as data types containing unique values. Sets are unordered, doesn't require an order. Sets are unindexed. We can't like access elements by indexing as we do in the list tuples and sets. Oh, set I am saying dictionary. There is no way of to change items in set. These are also immutable. We can't change values in set. And also the foremost thing, they doesn't have or allow any duplicate value. So yes, I have already, this is written to remove how to call player union intersection, the same union is intersection. So same, these are some practice steps to create a dictionary of Hindi words with value as an English and provided. This you can try because I have given you some of the examples I did. It's the same. Just try once. So for now, like program to create Hindi words with value as an English. We have to create, like we can say words, Hindi words like कैसे हो, how are you, पानी, water, comma, रोटी, खाना. So these are some of the Hindi words. You want to get the meaning of the word. कैसे हो, it will give you. Wait. I have written something. Yeah, spelling mistake. Wait. I'm missing something. Let me check once. We can do like this also. We can do with get. Again, the spelling are wrong. Try, don't like, how are you? It prints how are you because I wanted to take on know the meaning of कैसे हो. Write a program, input 8 numbers from the user, display all unique number ones. So this is, can we have a set with 18 int and 18 str as a value in it. As I already told you, in sets, remember set doesn't have the values, meaning double values. What type of set is this? Empty set. To add a value, create an empty dictionary allow format to enter the favorite language as value and use of key as a name. Assume that the names are unique. This all I have already told you. So once go through and complete.